Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to sell photos on Foap app. It's actually quite simple if you know the process. So without any delay, let's get started. First, download the Foap app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create Account. Now fill in the required details and then tap Create Account again to finish the registration. After signing up, tap the three dots and go to Profile and tap the three dots again to add your personal information. Then scroll down to Settings and select Cash Out Settings and link your PayPal account for withdrawals. Now you're ready to upload your photos. Tap the plus icon to select photos. Then add relevant tags and descriptions to help buyers find your photos. If your photo includes people, indicate that and then tap Publish. Your photo is now uploaded to Foap. Next, your photos will go through a review process which can take a few days. Once approved, they will be added to the Foap marketplace. You will then be able to set the price for each photo. Foap's pricing model allows you to receive 50% of the sale price for each photo sold. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.